Restricting list is the next section. So, and it starts by saying a tuple. So the values in a regular list can be changed as the program proceeds. They are mutable, okay? But a list can be created with fixed values, immutable, okay? Values that can't be changed by the program, that is. A restrictive immutable Python list is known as a tuple. Okay, so a list, flexible, non-restricted, mutable list, tuple, immutable. Okay. Restrictive immutable Python list is known as tuple and is created by assigning values as comma-separated list between parentheses in a process known as tuple packing. For example, colors tuple equals red, green, red again, okay, blue, red. Okay, red, green, red, blue, red. So that's the colors tuple. Okay, like indexing the different elements in a list, the items in the tuple sequence are numbered from 0 the same way. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. An individual tuple element can be referenced using tuple name followed by square brackets containing that element's index number. Usually all values stored inside a tuple can be assigned to individual variables in a process known as sequence unpacking. So A, B, C, D, E equals colors tuple. Okay. So these values, or the values in the regular list, can be repeated in its elements, as in the tuple above. That would be this. It's not actually above in the book, but there you go. A list of unique values can be created where duplication is not allowed. Right? A restrictive Python list of unique values is known as a set and is created by assigning values as comma-separated list between curly brackets. Again, so phonetic set equals, and curly brackets, that's the one, alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and curly brackets. Again, so that's a set with unique values, and there can be no duplicates in there. So duplicates, red, 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 that's duplicates. But in a set, no duplicates. And in the book, there's the list. There's set.add, set.update, set.copy, pretty much the same as with the list. So we're going to move on to the next page and see what it says to do as the practical element of this. Right, so the Python type function can be used to ascertain these lists data structure class, and the Python built-in membership operator in can be used to find values in a set. So we're going to test that. So we're going to initialize a tuple, and then we're going to display the content length and type for that. So tuple zoo equals kangaroo leopard, and moose. Print tuple colon quotation mark zoo quotation mark backslash t length colon quotation mark, and then the function len zoo. And the last line, print type zoo. So the Python, the type function can be used to ascertain these lists data structure class. Okay. Restricted list, so res list. Invalid syntax. What did I forget? A comma. Okay, so tuple. Oh, misspelling. Can't have anything of misspelling. Trying again. So tuple, kangaroo, leopard, moose, length 3, right? Print type, that would be a class tuple. Okay, cool. So the next step, initialize a set and add another element, then display its contents, length, and type. Okay, so we're going to add bag, apparently. And that's a curly bracket. So, and what did we say about curly brackets? What was the thing with curly brackets? That is a set, right? Created by assigning values as comma-separated list between curly brackets. So set contains unique values. Okay, so bag, bag red, green, no, not yellow, blue, and curly brackets. Again, bag dot add, and now we're adding yellow to this. Print backslash n set colon quotation mark bag. Length need to control the spelling here. Len bag print type bag. Let's see if I've done this correctly. Okay, so tuple kangaroo, leopard, moose, length 3. Fine, and it's class tuple. Then we create a set with red, green, and blue. Then we add yellow with this line right here. And then we define the type, which in this case is set. Cool. Add statements to seek two values in the set. Okie dokie. Print backslash NLS green in bag set. Question mark, colon, quotation mark, green in bag. So this is apparently going to search for green in the bag. Is green in bag set true? Yeah, because you look at the set and green is in the bag. The next line is basically the same, but it's another kind of test. And I've misspelled it. It's supposed to be is, not ls. Is orange in bag set, and then orange. There we go. And that's supposed to be false, because there is no orange. Right, is orange in bag set? No, false. Finally, initialize a second set and display its content, length, and all common values found in both sets. Okay, so we're going to create a new set, and then we're going to let those two, let Python compare those two to find common stuff within each of the sets. And the new set is going to be called box. Remember curly brackets. So box red, purple, yellow. Purple, yellow. So that's the box, and as you can see, red is common, right? Purple is not. Yellow is common because yellow is added to the bag. So red and yellow should be common. Next line, print set. And now we're going to do like so, box t length comma len box, and then print common to both sets. Bag intersection box. So creating another set named box, printing the name of that set, right, and the length of that set, the box set. Then it's going to do, by use of bag.intersection, it's going to take compare the set bag to the set box and find common elements. Shoo. And here we go. So set purple, yellow, red, length 3, common to both sets, red and yellow. That was kind of cool.